Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. God, that could not have been a more perfect card slap. Look how the presentation of this is so good. I've got another package from Going Gear. This is the Going Gear EDC Club package. This is the premium box. They do have a less expensive box. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. Of course, if you do not want to do the subscription box thing, you can just watch me unbox it, and these items will be individually available on the website, which is the main benefit of watching me do this. You don't have to. You can if you want. It's down there. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. The last few actually have been very good. What? You know what? No, we're gonna open it from the side, the wrong way. That's right. We don't do things the traditional way on this channel. We open boxes from the side, like an animal. All right. Here's the thing. Here's another thing. Here's another thing. Here's some more stuff. Here's another thing. Wow, a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, cool. Let's see what we've got here. All right. I got to say this every single time because people are always confused. There's always people thinking that Going Gear sends me a special box and that it's random for everybody. So, like, Metal Complex makes it look really good. No, everybody gets the same box. Like, if you got the box for September, then everybody who got the September box gets exactly this stuff, right? I don't know in advance. But the idea here is that the total value of the items will be much higher, especially in the case of the premium box, much higher than what you're actually paying for the box. Here, let's go ahead and do... what is this? Well... okay, let's just open it. Oh, is it a flashlight? Yay! Yes! Oh, awesome, awesome. What's the flashlight? ReyLight. Pineapple Mini, black, red, or blue. Okay, wonderful. Oh, this is perfect. I actually needed another one of these. ReyLight is known for producing some of the highest quality and best EDC lights around. Well, everybody claims that, but okay. We are very excited to be sending these to you. It has a maximum of 240 lumens, which is fine considering what I'm going to use it for. With a tail switch operation, the tail switch comes with a pre-cut slot for a tritium insert in case you wish to customize. That's awesome. Customize your flashlight. We have included a rechargeable 10440 battery, but this light accepts AAA batteries as well. Yes! That's awesome. Thank you. Okay, so let's, most likely there's like a thing I need to pull off here, right? Let's go ahead and do that. Do I? Oh yeah, there it is. Get out of there. Okay. And here we go. Ready? There it is. Yeah! All right, perfect. Nice. Yeah, that's great. They added a little slot for the trim. This is cool. I like the red too. This is perfect. I use this guy down here, right, which is a similar size. And then I've got another one of those in my truck, and I really, really wanted another one for my bedroom, just because the power went off a while back, and I was like, I gotta walk all the way out to the kitchen to get a flashlight. So this is perfect. Looks like it's got a high and a low. Oh, and a super high. Okay, so it's got 3 different ones. That is fantastic. So it comes with a rechargeable battery, but you can just use a AAA in it as well. That's really nice. I think that is well deserving of the $31.50 price tag. Comes with a couple of additional O-rings too. What is this? KeyUnity. Okay. So here's this. KeyUnity. This is one of the best compact keychain knives we have seen lately. It's built with titanium handles and number 24 scalpel replaceable blade, making this a well-made, easy-to-use daily carry. Hook it onto your bag, your keys, put a lanyard on it, throw it in your pocket. No matter how you decide to use this, we think you're going to enjoy it. Okay, sounds interesting. Well, let's open it up. Ooh. Oh, okay. I need to call upon the obsidian toenail, summon it from its wooden stronghold. All right, so okay, that's actually kind of cool. you're going to have this, okay, it's because of how this is replaceable. Yeah, I see, okay. Because of how this is replaceable, it's like you have this much of the blade, because otherwise you're passing this center area through whatever it is you're trying to cut. But if you are opening very simple things throughout the day, then you may not need, right? Somebody who is, you know, God, I wish it had I mean, you could put a lanyard on it and throw it in your pocket, or you could just carry it in your pocket. This is kind of almost like a dedicated desk item, but it's perfect for that, right? Because it's really not an intimidating piece. And honestly, you know, okay, it's a little bit sloppy in here, but truthfully, titanium and for 22 bucks, and it's got a replaceable blade, right? Or you could just keep using a thin blade. I don't know if I really want to complain about the walk and talk on this. It's okay, right? And it's pretty easy to open. That's kind of neat. That's actually something that I will probably let hang around. This might be something that I just throw in my vehicle, honestly. This is kind of cool. I like this. And the titanium looks good too. Looks like we've got a T8 pivot and a T6 back here. Yeah, you know, okay, that's cool. 2 for 2 there. That's pretty neat. Moving on, let's see. What is this? The trapeze. The trapeze. Matchbox puzzle. It's always nice to have something to keep your mind busy that doesn't involve picking up your phone. These small matchbox puzzles are great to keep in a bag for downtime during the day, or bring them with you on your next camping trip. Total of 15 different puzzles, and you'll be receiving 2 different ones. You can find the solutions at professorpuzzle.com. Okay, so it's a puzzle. I am not going to demonstrate my limited mental capacity on camera. I like that you guys, you know, if you just assume that I am intelligent, and then I don't need to demonstrate. I'm not very good at puzzles. But okay, that's fine. You know, and they like the value on it seems accurate. $6.65. I'm not going to complain about that. And we got 2 of them here. So interesting. I guess I know people probably want me to open them up here, right? Use the little razor thing. No, we have to use the toenail. And, sorry, there's a thing on the other side. This is way more convenient. This is the perfect EDC item. Okay, so there's what that one looks like. Not even gonna try. I know you guys probably want to see me try, or maybe you don't, right? I'm not even gonna try, but I'll let you see what they look like. And there's that one there. Actually, that one looks kind of interesting. Maybe I'll do them off camera. I'll do them off camera and then take a picture of them, put them on Instagram, and you can just assume that I solved them quickly. Okay, let's see. This. What is this? Is this the Alpha Gear? Yeah. Oh, wait, no. I said Alpha Gear. Alpaka Gear. Hub pouch. This small soft shell pouch is the perfect storage solution for your electronics, flashlights, knives, or any other tools you might need in your next adventure. The interior features 6 internal pockets designed to hold all of your favorite EDC gear, and an external pocket for coins, SD cards, etc. to help keep you organized. Okay, yeah, there you go. So it's got that, and then we've got inside here this. Okay, so for example, I guess we could do something like, we don't want to turn it on in the process. Do something like this, and then something like that, and you can fold it. Okay, yeah, sure, that's fine. I think that works pretty well. In fact, I'll just leave that out here to kind of demonstrate. And will it fit like, yeah, okay, so knives like the Ontario Rat Model 2, and even, can I squeeze this in there? If you turn it sideways, yeah, even the 80 20.5 can fit in there. Let's try and close it. Yep, okay, pretty cool. I'll just leave that out. That I actually kind of like that. I don't know. I might keep this one. So a lot of this stuff is great for giveaways, but you know, what? I mean, can you blame me? Sometimes I want to keep this stuff, right? And then finally, right, the knife. I know that's what you're all sitting here waiting to see, probably, if you're still here. The new Ace Corda, conjunction of quarter, C-O-R-T-A-R, Cortar. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. Google it for me and then tell me. Meaning to cut, is a small stout flipper with a pointy but strong blade that fires open like a rocket. Once you get the Corda in hand and flip it open a few times, we think you will agree this is a functional tool made for everyday life. Stonewashed Bowler M390 steel with brass backspacers and micarta handle scales. Alrighty, I feel like I've seen this. A lot of the, you know, the Ace knives look very similar. Come on now, come on. Okay, actually it does flip better than I was expecting. All right, that's actually pretty nice. Can't really complain about that one. M390. Yeah, okay, the edge actually feels pretty good. We have a nice radiused spine, jimping. They always put it out here, which I actually really like because that's naturally where your thumb goes. Definitely a nice taper out to the tip. Very well ground blade. Contoured micarta scales. We've got the brass liner. We have that wire clip that is shaped the way that I like. I just don't like how it looks. And that nice inset liner lock, which is probably steel. Yes, steel. Action is pretty good on this. In fact, sometimes, I don't think it's any secret that sometimes these knives have a weird detent. They're too tight for the, like the pivot is too tight for the detent strength. This guy, pivot tightness is actually really good. Oh yeah, okay. That's not bad at all. Yeah, all right. You know, the price is probably, this feels, you know, more like these are made in Italy. More like a $175-ish knife, but even still, right, the amount of stuff that we got here, I'm pretty happy with. This was a good box, another good box actually. I'm pretty happy with this. I really want to keep like all of these things right here, but we'll see. At least the flashlight. I'll tell you this right now, the flashlight is definitely staying with me. You might see some of this other stuff pop up as giveaway items on my live stream. So if you're not subscribed and you didn't know that I do that, I give a lot of the stuff away that I give for free. I give it away on live streams, usually Fridays and Saturday nights or Saturday nights. But yeah, this is a good one. Another good example here. If you're interested, like I said, in any of the items individually, they can be found at goinggear.com, which I will link right down below. It'll probably take you to the EDC package, but you can probably navigate from there. Thanks again to Going Gear for sending these in. I appreciate it. That's going to be pretty much it today. Where's my card? Well, let's use one of the metal ones. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.